Bitcoin is trading near all-time highs around 70,000, and I think it's going higher. As a stock trader, I like to follow stocks that follow Bitcoin's patterns. And again, I find them bullish, except one is acting up. And we're going to get into it. All right, I'm screen sharing, and you could see I have my moving averages, and I also have my volume profile. I don't care what anyone tells you, Bitcoin is a highly technically followed trade. Bitcoin follows technicals as to a rule book. All right. So the volume profile is the rule book for me when I'm trading Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin just broke over extreme resistance. That resistance is the point of control. That is this node in my volume profile with the red line and the 21-day moving average. That is why Bitcoin made a beautiful move higher today, and it still has more to go. So if you're a volume profile trader, the simple trick is you look at the value area high. That's when the top of the volume profile, which happens to coincide with our local highs here in Bitcoin. It's not always the case. Sometimes candles in a stock or a currency will be higher. In this case, they're matching up. Regardless, the target here in Bitcoin, we're looking at about 73,700 as an upside target in Bitcoin. That's 3,000 more points to go in BTC. You also have about to cross MACD. So if this really crosses, this will help send Bitcoin not just to its first target, but finally break this high. Now, there are some crypto related stocks, some miners that follow this. And I love 4 out of 5, or let's see, 5 out of 6. So you're going to get 5 bulls and maybe 1 bear in our crypto sphere. All right, the first up that I love is CleanSpark. This one finally broke out of a big wide consolidation. And this is a great example of if you're a volume profile trader or looking to learn the volume profile. We found that resistance here with the 21-day moving average and our point of control. Look how CLSK broke above that and perfectly targeted our value area high on our volume profile. Notice those were not coinciding with candles. The candles were actually reached higher than that value area high. But what happened is CleanSpark actually broke its local high and it got its MACD cross here. So that's exciting for CleanSpark. I have an upside target on this one of about 30. Next up, Riot. Riot is not trading near its all-time highs. However, there's a delicious setup to the upside here. I can't believe I just said that. Please forgive me. But hey, it's the trade is it's looking yummy. What can I say? We broke above the point of control here and a lot of resistance or volume resistance here in our volume profile. It too is about to have a crossover trading around local lows. I like when MACD can cross around local lows. That can really help this stock move much higher than its counterparts. You do have a little bit of the holy trinity of moving averages here, but once it breaks above this obstacle course, we have an upside target of 14 and then ultimately 17 here in Riot. So something like CleanSpark and Bitcoin, you'd be buying at the highs, and something like Riot, you'd be kind of bottom picking and getting in near the lows here. So depending on how you like to trade those, they both look bullish. Another one that is looking swell is Coin. Coin also just busted over its local high here. And I'm looking for Coin to reach at least right around this like 320 level. I know that sounds obscene, but there's a big force in crypto right now, and all of these stocks are poised to move higher. And the last of my favorites is CIFR. Wonderful breakout of your point of control and value area and these moving averages. And it too is popping over all-time local highs anyway. Looking for an upside target around 627 here in this stock. And if we do have wings on this, we're looking at a nice move higher up to 10. If a stock goes to 9, it's most likely going to 10. So if we can start reaching up on those areas, CIFR has wings. Now, a lot of bulls here moving forward with Bitcoin as Bitcoin is looking to continue to move higher. There's one that's not getting some love, and I'm probably going to get a lot of hate on this. I wrote about this one in our free newsletter. If you guys are interested, Trade to Close has a free newsletter. You can sign up and get that stock market and crypto analysis if you're more of a reader and not a visual. But we also include some nice charts in there. And again, it's free. One of my favorite prices. You can join there. We're going to have a link below this video. But oh man, here we go. Mara. Why isn't Mara getting the love? These candles don't look like they're loved even by its mother. We're kind of Mara seems trapped while all of these other counterparts seem to have a path to the least resistance to the upside. Where Mara seems trapped, there's still a lot of volume here. In order for Mara to really take off, we need to get 4 points above, break out around 24, and then perhaps Mara will get some wings. If you want to trade these live with us, we also have a trading service, and we're offering 30 days for $7. Yes, normally it's $97, but we're doing a special promotion for March because it's March Madness, baby. And you could trade with us live on our show from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. With my partner, Mark Sebastian. We get into options, stock analysis, crypto analysis, maybe even a little Forex if we're feeling crazy. And we do have live trading alerts and live trading there. So if you want to join us, it's $7 for a month of Trade to Close, live show, live chat. We have a 24/7 forum. It's really fun. And again, we get some awesome trading in there as well. If you see Bitcoin going higher and you like my top picks following Bitcoin, let me know in the comments below. And maybe show some love for Mara if you're seeing something I'm not. I'll take another look at it. All right, guys, always be closing. Boz out.